Many of the most expensive collagen and biotin supplements are built around ingredients found in a single concentrated plant source. By understanding how to use it, you can transition from synthetic pills to a whole food alternative. This is Sea Buckthorn. To survive temperatures that drop to -40 degrees Celsius in the Himalayas, it develops a defense mechanism containing more than 190 bioactive compounds, including all 4 omega fatty acids, 3, 6, 7, and 9. These properties were documented over a millennium ago. 30 chapters of a 1,300-year-old Tibetan healing text are dedicated to the specific medical applications of this berry. We are going to build a step-by-step daily routine to properly dose, time, and consume this fruit. If you have your Sea Buckthorn product and a glass of normal water ready, we can begin. The potency of this superfood is balanced by its fragility. Because these compounds are highly sensitive to heat and chemical interference, the specific method of preparation determines whether the nutrients actually reach your bloodstream or are destroyed before you even finish the glass. Step 1 is selecting the physical format of Sea Buckthorn that aligns with your specific biological targets. If your focus is on increasing collagen production for your skin, strengthening hair follicles, or supporting heart and liver health, the concentrated oil capsules are required. If your goals are centered on increasing physical strength, boosting immunity, or managing blood sugar, you should opt for the juice or the whole dried berries. This chart maps these goals directly to their corresponding product formats. This ensures you are targeting your body's needs with the right concentration of nutrients. The physical format matters because the plant's compounds are distributed differently. While the juice is rich in whole fruit flavonoids, the capsules provide a dense delivery of the rare omega-7 and vitamin E found in the seed and pulp oils. Step 2 is preparing the exact daily measurement required to reach a functional threshold in your body. For those using capsules, the daily dose is exactly 1 or 2 500 milligram capsules. If you are using juice, measure exactly 15 to 20 milliliters of an unsweetened variety and stir it into a full glass of room temperature water. If you have dried berries, count out exactly 20 to 25 fruits and place them in a small bowl of water to soak overnight. Precision is necessary here because clinical efficacy depends on providing the body with a consistent baseline supply of vitamin C and fatty acids to trigger the repair of damaged tissues. Step 3 is timing your intake to sync with your body's digestive cycle for maximum absorption. If you are taking the capsule to treat acidity or a stomach irritation, take your dose exactly 30 minutes before your meal. This timing lets omega fatty acids form a protective barrier over the stomach lining before food stimulates acids. For all other goals, take the capsule with food, allowing the nutrients to mix with dietary fats, improving how the body processes fat-soluble vitamins. The juice and dried berries should be consumed first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to ensure the water-soluble vitamin C is absorbed quickly. Treating these doses as metabolic triggers rather than casual additions ensures that your body prioritizes the absorption of these specific compounds. Step 4 is actively avoiding common errors that neutralize the berry's nutritional value before it reaches your gut. The first rule is temperature. As this thermometer rises, notice the impact on the vitamin C levels. Heating Sea Buckthorn above 85 degrees Celsius destroys up to 90% of its most vital antioxidant. Second, avoid blending the supplement into fruit smoothies or shakes. For the full effect, it should be taken alone, with only honey or sugar candy added if you find the taste too sharp. Third, maintain a strict 45-minute gap between taking your dose and drinking any tea or coffee. The tannins in tea and coffee act as chemical blockers. They bind to vitamins and minerals, preventing absorption and neutralizing your morning dose. By protecting these bioactives from heat, dilution, and chemical interference, you keep the supplement's cellular level power intact. With the routine established, you can monitor your progress over a 30-day window, which is the time frame typically required for these nutrients to influence cellular health. Based on clinical observations, you should look for signs of improved digestion, reduced hair shedding, and a shift in skin texture as fresh collagen begins to support the tissue. The Soviet space program utilized sea buckthorn oil to provide Yuri Gagarin and his team with a biological shield against the effects of cosmic radiation. Because the berry has a mild blood-thinning effect Anyone on medications like aspirin or women who are pregnant should consult a medical professional before starting this routine. Now that the steps are clear, prepare your first dose tonight for tomorrow morning and begin your 30-day biological reset.